You know, those dessert recipes that look fancy but are actually ridiculously simple. This coffee cake is exactly that. Just a few simple ingredients, no baking required, just pure creamy deliciousness that totally surprised me the first time I made it. To make this creamy coffee cake, start by mixing 4 tablespoons of instant coffee with 20 milliliters, which is about 2 tablespoons of room temperature milk. Stir well to make sure the coffee dissolves completely. Next, add 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk to the coffee mixture and give it another good stir until everything is fully combined, as you can see here. Then leave it aside for a moment. Now, in a separate bowl, add 400 milliliters of heavy whipping cream, which is 1 3/4 cups. Use an electric mixer to whip the cream until stiff peaks form. You will know it is ready when the cream holds its shape and does not collapse when you lift the mixer out. Next, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract to the whipped cream and give it a quick mix. Be careful not to overmix, as whipping the cream too much can cause it to become heavy and start to turn into butter. Now, add the coffee and condensed milk mixture to the whipped cream and, using a mixer on low speed, give it a quick mix just so that everything is evenly combined without losing the cream's light and fluffy texture. This is the perfect texture, as you can see in the video here. Now, using a springform pan or a baking frame like you see me using in the video, spoon the creamy mixture into it. If you're using a baking frame, make sure to place it on a sturdy tray or plate to make it easy to transfer into the fridge without spilling. Smooth out the top with the spatula, making sure it is even all the way to the edges. Then, take a skewer or the handle of a spoon and gently swirl it through the mixture. This helps release any trapped air bubbles so the dessert sets evenly and doesn't end up with any weird pockets inside. Then, leave it in the fridge for about 3 hours to set completely. This helps the cake to firm up and makes slicing easier later. In a separate bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water, and mix till the coffee and sugar is dissolved. Then, using an electric mixer, whip the mixture on high speed for about 4 to 5 minutes until it becomes thick, frothy, and forms stiff peaks, as you can see here. Once the cake has firmed up, take it out of the fridge and carefully remove the frame. Spread the whipped coffee mixture over the top with a spatula, smoothing it out as evenly as you can. Don't stress if it is not perfect. It will still taste amazing.
Yum.
This cake is honestly so good. It is super creamy and light, and the coffee flavor just hits perfectly. Not too strong, but enough to give it that rich taste. The whipped layers are so fluffy, and when you take a bite, it just melts in your mouth. It is one of those desserts you keep going back for because it's not too heavy or overly sweet. Honestly, it's just really satisfying. If you liked making this coffee cake, you should definitely try my no-bake lemon pie next. It is just as easy to make, and it's so creamy and refreshing. The best part? You only need 4 ingredients. Check it out now.